Ethan Milburn. We're putting on a video in Ms. Hutchinson's marketing class for Boyle County High School, and our goal is to win the contest and make the money that we get for winning the contest. With the money we're trying to earn by winning this contest, we're going to be using to go on a school-related field trip with our whole marketing class.
Yeah, I'm really excited for that field trip. I hope you enjoyed the video. We put a lot of work into it. We have 4 segments coming up. First of all, we have I'm Weak, then Girlfriend Glow Up, All Access, and Extra Eats.
So our first segment, I'm Weak, it's where we try to make each other laugh by airdropping pictures to each other, and the first one to make each other laugh loses.
Alright, after I'm Weak, we have Girlfriend Glow Up. It's where we have 2 of our senior girls get their makeup done by 2 of our freshman guys, which have no clue what they're doing in makeup, so it's pretty embarrassing.
The next segment we're going to be doing after Girlfriend Glow Up is All Access. What we do with All Access is we take you behind the scenes at a Boyle County football game. We're a very good program for football, and our student section is very loud and rowdy, so we really hope you guys will enjoy this segment.
Alright, last up, we have Extra Eats. It's where we compare local restaurants and their food and their main dishes to see which one's better and which one that contestants like better.
We really hope you guys enjoy this video, and since it's a contest, we'd really appreciate it if you guys would like and subscribe and maybe get your friends to watch it, get your family to watch it, and we just really hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching.
Are you ready? Do you remember what comes next?
Of course I remember. How could I ever forget?
Are you the
pro airdropping champion? Yes, I am.
Well, I challenge you.
Fine, boy. You got yourself a deal. Don't be late.
Don't worry, I won't be late.
That's such an amateur move. I can't believe he did that. Just be sure I'm gonna get him in this next move. Just another one to tip the scale. He's a chump. He's so naive. I'm 100% gonna get him after that one.
I'm gonna get him next time. Keep my head up. I got this. I'm not gonna get him. I'm not gonna laugh. I'm not gonna let him win.
I can't believe I lost.
Now that Evan and Ethan are done making us laugh, now we're talking about the next segment, Girlfriend Glow Up. Brennan?
It's going to be where 2 boys will be putting makeup on 2 girls' face. In preparation of the Boyle County game, we're going to have senior night, homecoming court, and the theme is pink out.
Now let's go.
Yeah, I put way too much.
I put way.
What are you doing?
I'm messing her up. That's. Right. No. You want rave or totally?
Either one.
Thank you, sir.
Boy!
Alright.
Are you putting it on my eyes or?
I don't know. I guess I'll put it on your eyes.
Okay.
I need more.
You know, we're gonna put some
You
sparkles.
look like you have a
We're
black
gonna
eye.
make this for diabetes. Alright. I'm not doing one.
My eyes are watering so bad. And I heated my own. I'm so scared.
You know, girl, I'm so sorry.
Oh my god.
Raise big lash ones.
Oh god, that thing is huge.
Alright. Are you good? Are you a Gucci
No,
fan?
I blinked a lot.
Alright. I will try not to poke you in the eye this time.
You poke her in your eye.
I'm exiting. Alright, look at me. I'm sorry.
You're being
Not-
very aggressive about this.
I have like one
She's
eyelash.
I put too much on that side, but enough on the other side. It's
There needs to
fine.
be more.
Girl, just lick.
I think we're pretty decent right now. Oh. Alright, we're done with the glitter.
No, am I doing worse and better, probably?
Be honest.
You're good. I told him there's no right or wrong. He can do whatever he wants.
I've asked her for advice. She won't give
What
it.
is this?
I won't.
I'm gonna put more pink. I think I did a pretty good job.
Y'all ever seen the lawn?
Oh, gosh, I thought you liked being touchy. Put it on there.
I love it. Yours doesn't
I'll eat it.
bad.
He did.
What is the little black mark?
He did
No,
fine
no.
on her.
Let me
He's looking
see.
at you.
Hold on, we're gonna fix this. Hold on.
Huh?
Yours.
I'm not sure about that.
Well, that's show business for you. Speaking of show business, you ready for the big game?
I think it'd be fun, but what do you want to do? What happens behind closed doors?
Well, let's find out. And that's going to take us to our next segment to take a look behind the scenes of a Boyle County football game. I am here with Boyle County Rebel, Tristan Compton. Tristan, how do you think tonight's football game is going to go?
I'd say the Rebels definitely have this one. I'm giving out a score prediction of 5-1. I think the Rebels are going to win this one.
Yeah, I like that prediction. Tristan, obviously Boyle County has one of the best student sections around. What do you think really makes that student section?
I would say that the energy and commitment that our student section brings out just makes it better.
Yeah, 100%. Boyle County has one of the most committed student sections with great leaders. And Tristan, Saturday, the soccer team has a regional game against Danville. How do you think that's going to go?
I'd say a definite smacking by the Rebels.
Yeah, I would agree. All right, thank you, Tristan.
Thank you.
No? Okay, a few.
I think they did pretty good, but how old did you say those boys were again?
They were freshmen. Why do you ask?
Freshmen. Well, I guess it wasn't that bad.
Wow, there is more football games than it seems.
Yeah, Boyle County really goes all out for their football games.
I don't know about you, but after that crazy, I'm kind of hungry.
Good thing our next segment is Extra Eats.
Okay, now we have contestant 1 Bradley Burris and contestant 2 Gabriel Brown. We have buffalo and barbecue from Buffalo Wing Rings.
Go.
Okay, buffalo.
It's good. It's a little dry though, but besides that, I think it's pretty good.
Okay, now we have Gabe trying buffalo from Buffalo Wings and Rings.
To be honest, it's dry. Don't taste good at all. Yeah, no, this ain't it.
So now we have Bradley Burris trying barbecue.
I would say it has better flavor. Yeah, so I think these are pretty good.
Okay, now we have Gabriel Brown trying barbecue.
Tastes good. There's actual flavor to it. I like them better than the buffalo.
All right, what do you rate the barbecue?
10 out of 10.
What do you rate the barbecue?
I'll give it a 9.
What do you rate the buffalo?
I'll give it a 7.5.
What do you rate a buffalo?
1 out of 10.
Today we have Evan and Landon. Today we're going to be comparing Little Caesars over Papa John's. Okay, now Evan will be trying Little Caesars.
That's pretty good. I mean, it's really greasy. The sauce has a lot of flavor. The cheese is pretty good. It's just a pretty good pizza.
And now we will have Landon trying Little Caesars.
It's good. It is really greasy. It's pretty thick too, but overall it tastes pretty good. Cheese is pretty nice. Good pizza.
Okay, now we have Evan trying Papa John's.
Okay. I mean, that's a lot better, I'm being honest. The sauce is really good. I mean, the pepperoni has a lot of flavor. The cheese is really good. It's just overall a really good pizza.
All right, now we have Landon trying Papa John's.
It's a little bit more drier than Little Caesars is, I'd say. Less thick, definitely. Tastes a lot better in my opinion. Yeah, good pizza.
All right, Evan, how do you rate Little Caesars 1 out of 10?
I mean, it was good, but it wasn't special. I give it like a 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10.
All right, now what about Papa John's?
I'd probably get it like a 8.5. It was pretty good.
Okay, Landon, how do you rate Little Caesars?
Little Caesars was a good 8.
All right, now what about Papa John's?
Papa John's definitely has a beat. I said 9.5.
All right, welcome to Extra Eats. We have contestant 1, Ethan Milburn, contestant 2, Jackson Wigglesworth. Ethan has Meat Pueblo, Jackson has Guadalajara. And today we're gonna be trying them and seeing which one's the best. And Ethan, try Meat Pueblo.
It's good. The cheese is good. The chicken's well cooked. It's pretty good.
Okay, now contestant 2, Jackson Wigglesworth, try Meat Pueblo.
Dog.
Rice is really good. Cheese is really nice too, and the rice is amazing.
All right, now contestant 1, Ethan Milburn's trying Guadalajara.
It's pretty good. There's not enough cheese though. The rice is kind of dry. The chicken's good though.
Now trying Guadalajara, contestant 2, Jackson Wigglesworth.
Rice kind of dry and stale. There's a little bit of cheese in there, and chicken's kind of undercooked.
Contestant 1, Ethan. What do you rate me Pueblo on a scale of 1 to 10?
I give it like a solid 8. It was really good.
All right, Jackson, what do you give me Pueblo on a scale of 1 to 10?
9.5 out of 10. It's real good.
Okay, Ethan, what do you give Guadalajara on a scale of 1 to 10?
Probably like a 6.8. You know,
Jack-
the rice was kind of dry, not enough cheese. Just not it.
Jackson, what do you give Guadalajara on a scale of 1 to 10?
I mean, probably like an 8.5. It was still really good, but just underperformed compared to mi Pueblo.
Make sure to comment who you think won Girlfriend Glow Up, who you think won out of all the foods, who you think won out of all the competitions. Please make sure to like this video and send it to your friends because it's a competition for our school and we really appreciate your support.